Today experiment is study of frequency shifting modulation techniques. Objective observation of the nature and the spectrum of the modulated waveform. 2. Measurement of essential bandwidth. 3. Analysis the reception quality by cross correlation characteristic. Equipment use: FSK modulation and demodulation kit, power supply, oscilloscope, connecting links. FSK modulation is the another of the hybrid communication, that is, one is analog signal and other is digital signal. Analog signals, that is carrier signal, and digital signal, that is our message signal. This signal is message signal 1 0 1 1 0 like this, and this is our modulated waveform. When the input message signal is 1, that frequency is high, and message signal is low, then frequency is low. Again message signal is high, that is active high, that is 1 1. When the modulated output frequency is high, again message signal is 0, frequency is low. This is our circuit diagram or block diagram. This is our waveform. First one is clock signal, then second is our carrier signal 1, and third one is carrier signal 2, that is our analog signal, and fourth one is control input or message signal. This is our binary digit or digital signal. This is our FSK modulator output, and last one is the demodulator output. The binary digit or digital signal always unipolar signal, or 0 or 1. Higher bit is 1 and lower bit is 0. This is our FSK modulation demodulation kit. This is our power section, this is power supply, this is DSO, digital storage oscilloscope. In this section is data section or data generation section. This is our serial data, and this is data clock, and red portion is input selector, that is 1 0 1 1 1 0 1. Upper is 0 and lower is 1. In this we select the input data or binary data, and this is our carrier modulator. Inbuilt this carrier modulator, carrier signal is there, and this is our mode set ASK, press FSK. Now the experiment is FSK frequency shifting, and in this point output is FSK output, and this section also FSK demodulator. When 2 points mod out and FSK in connect through the connecting links, and this is our output of this demodulator. Now at first measure the clock or data clock. At first the DSO black cable is grounded and red cable connected to data clock, and press DSO auto. This is our clock signal or data clock. Run and stop and measure peak to peak voltage is 5.0 volt and frequency 256.4 kilohertz. Note down the amplitude and frequency. Amplitude is 5.04 volt and frequency is 256.4 kilohertz. Now measure the data signal. Black cable also grounded and red cable touch the serial data. And selector switch or input switch select 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 like this and press auto. This is our message signal or data, input data. Run and stop, press measure. This is our message signal. Message signal amplitude is 4.56 volt and frequency 128 kilohertz. Note down the amplitude and frequency. Amplitude is 4.56 volt and frequency is 128 kilohertz. This is our message signal. Message signal varies this point. Now it is 111 and press auto. This is our message signal. 111 0 1 0 like this. Triple one 0 1 0 1 0 about 111 like this. Now set the 101. Now measure the carrier frequency or carrier amplitude. Press auto. Run and stop and measure. This is our stop and measure. Stop, measure. This is amplitude 2.22 volt and frequency is 166.6 kilohertz. This is our carrier signal. Carrier signal amplitude is 2.22 volt and frequency 166.6 kilohertz. Note down the amplitude and frequency. Amplitude 2.22 volt and frequency 166.6 kilohertz. Now connect the serial data to control in and measure the output. Press auto. This is our frequency shifting output. When input is 1, frequency is high, input is 0, frequency is low, again input is 1, frequency is high. Now measure at a time input and output signal. Blue color signal is input signal and yellow color signal is output signal. When input is 1, then frequency is high, input is 0, frequency low, again input high, frequency is high, like this. This is our FSK output signal. Now demodulation, modulation output connect to the FSK in, and finally FSK demodulation output connect the red probe and press auto. This is our 2 signal. Channel 2 is our input signal and this is our output signal. Blue one is input and yellow is output signal. And measure the 2 signal. Channel 1 is input, channel 1 is output and channel 2 is input signal. Channel 1 that is output, V peak to peak 5.40 volt and frequency is 153.3 kilohertz, and channel 2 that is input 4.40 volt and frequency is 128 kilohertz. This is our demodulated output. Thank you all.